Hello beauties, so welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm J Marie. If you're new here, welcome. To all my returning subscribers, hello, how are you guys doing? I want to thank you guys for 18K. Yay, we've reached 18,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it, and I love all the support you guys have been giving me. Everybody's so positive, and I love that. I love the positivity in the comment section. I love chatting with you guys. I love the encouragement you guys give me, and I love to encourage you guys also. So it has been so wonderful gaining this YouTube family here, and I appreciate you guys so much. We are on our way. Next we're going to 20K. So guys, I am back with another crochet tutorial, and this time I created this beautiful like September casual bride style using Toyotress deep wave ocean wave crochet hair. And look how beautiful this style came out. I am absolutely in love with how it came out. And I put like a little hair clip on the sides, bring that bridal look all together. Super pretty, super elegant. I didn't think it would be that elegant, how big and fluffy, but it's really giving that natural bride look. I absolutely love it. I received 8 packs. I used a total of 6 packs in all, and I did do a different type of braid pattern that I usually do. It's actually a braid pattern I used to use a long time ago when I first started doing crochets, and I don't know why I stopped, because I always love that deep side part. It just helps create that style and just give you that perfect look. Now my braids are not super tight, and I made that on purpose. I actually straightened my hair, and that's why my braids are a little bit looser, but I chose not to braid down too tight, because sometimes I feel like if it's too tight, especially if you're creating like the illusion method, like I did do that at the top of my head. I went in and did 2 different types of illusion knot methods, and you'll see that in the video. Making the braids a little bit looser, it just helps give that more natural look when it goes to, you know, back combing the crochet hair. I'm going to have all Toyotress information in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check the description box. I'll have all other products listed as well. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join my fam.